Welcome to the Quick Service Shop demo on the Revel Systems point of sale. Revel Systems POS is an award-winning iPad point-of-sale solution for all businesses, from single-location shops to multi-location enterprise clients. We tailor every POS to the specific needs of each business through the suite of features including integrated payroll, inventory tracking, customer relationship management, and so much more. With our user-friendly, highly organized, and simplified user interface, Revel Systems POS is designed for businesses to turn high-volume sales in a short period of time. You can begin by logging into the POS using your PIN number set on the management dashboard. Let's start by adding an item to the order ticket while exploring modifiers in greater detail. Modifiers are a great way to give your guests the experience of personalization and customization of their orders. They're also a great way to skew your product offering and increase your business by offering only modifiers that sell well and generate demand. Forced modifiers prompt you to choose a modifier before moving to the next level of the order. This is helpful in scenarios when a selection must be made to move forward, such as selecting a type of bun, the type of protein, meat or vegetarian, and the temperature at which a protein is cooked. Unforced modifiers are available to choose but are not necessary to add to the order ticket. If no unforced modifiers are selected, nothing will appear in the order details to modify the order. In the case of this example, cheese and toppings are unforced modifiers. Additionally, on the management dashboard, you can enable Add Quantity to Modifier. That will allow you to add extra cheese and toppings according to your guest's specific needs by using the plus and minus buttons in the top corners of each modifier box. Further, you can modify the cheese selection by having one type of cheese on the side if you so wish. We can also distinguish between priced and free modifiers. For example, adding pickles is free, but adding avocado has a $1.50 upcharge. You can finalize this burger and add it to your order by tapping Add. Once added to the ticket, you can click on the product. This will bring you to the product details screen on the right-hand side. This screen allows you to edit the product on the fly as your guests are changing their minds about the specifics of the order, without having to go through and re-enter the whole thing from the beginning. It provides fast and accurate order entry for your staff, thereby reducing the service times and increasing accuracy. You can see that there are Add and Subtract buttons. These buttons allow you to add multiple numbers of a specific product for your customer's order. Alternatively, you can add multiples of each product by tapping the Copy button as many times as you want duplicates. You can also add special requests by clicking on the Special Requests field, entering a special request, and clicking OK. You can easily go back into the item and edit the modifiers if the customer decides they want to change something about the order. This is a convenient feature if the customer wants to adjust some of the details of their order, like adding another kind of cheese or extra avocado. We can also enter a side of ranch sauce and modify the order to have no tomatoes or lettuce. You can see that the items to be on the side are framed in yellow and the items that the customer does not want are framed in red. We can finalize this by clicking Update. Combos are a great way to incentivize your customers to purchase more and to purchase a variety from your offering, making for a more interesting customer experience. You can quickly and easily add a combo to your order by selecting Combo on the menu, choosing the type of combo, and customizing it with the available modifiers. You can discount an item by clicking on the % discount button at the bottom of the screen. Discounts must be set up in the management dashboard prior to making the order, or they can be entered manually at the time of the purchase, if the user has been granted permission to do so in the management dashboard under Employee Role Permissions. For example, you can apply a 25% discount for all students verified by presentation of their student ID. We have also set up a time-based discount in the management dashboard that automatically applies a discount to all beverages during specific hours on specific days. So when you add a beverage to your order during those times, the beverage discount will appear. This is great for happy hours. You can add a customer to your order by clicking on Customers. Here you can add a new customer or select an existing customer. Click on New Customer and enter their first and last name as a minimum. Adding details such as birthday, email address, customer group, and special notes helps create an intelligent customer knowledge base and can help make email marketing, promotions, and day-to-day customer service more powerful and targeted, thereby increasing the reach and value of your marketing efforts. Let's select one of your existing customers and tap Add to Order. A helpful pop-up in the right-hand corner of the screen gives you a snapshot of that customer, detailing the number of visits, favorite products, and special notes. You can add a call name to the order by clicking the small plus sign next to the order number, selecting the call name, and then clicking OK. Unlike customers, call names do not remember or save orders to that name. You can select from a list of dining options for the order your restaurant is processing by tapping on the Dining Option button in the lower scroll of action buttons. Takeout, eat-in, web order, delivery, catering, or drive-through can be selected. The management dashboard also enables you to reduce the number of options a user can select from this list. Let's select delivery. You can now ring up your customer's order and take payment. Splitting payment for an order is very common in the food industry, and our system allows you to split checks for your customers quickly and elegantly. You can split this check evenly between any number of guests, split it by a custom amount on each guest check, or split the check by item. Let's say your customers want an even split of their check between 2 guests. Splitting checks improves your customer's experience tremendously by allowing them to be in control of how they want to divide their check and alleviating the need for them to settle up between themselves later. The division is done in one place at the time of sale, so your customers can move on and continue enjoying their experience in your restaurant worry-free. You can allow each of your guests to pay for their portion of the check using whatever means they would like: cash, credit, check, or gift card, just to list a few options. Once all of your guests have paid, you can select Done and exit the payment screen and begin serving the next customer in line. Delivery management is a great feature for any business that offers a delivery option. It helps keep track of orders that are out for delivery or awaiting delivery. Once an order is placed and set to be delivered, it will appear on the delivery management platform on the iPad, waiting to be assigned to a driver. In the management dashboard, you can also set the system to only display orders that will be ready within the next X minutes, so that you have complete control over orders that are completely finished or minutes away from being finished being available for assignment to a driver. You can now assign your latest delivery order to a driver. The order queue screen will display all the delivery orders that are currently assigned, unassigned, en route, or complete, along with the order ID, the time that elapsed since the order was placed, and the delivery address. Elapsed time is especially valuable for managers to manage the delivery process and customer expectations. For example, calling your customers for a late delivery before they call you to complain can help you proactively manage your relationship with that customer. Either the manager or the driver can check in or check out the driver, meaning that they are coming back from making deliveries or just leaving on their route. Once the driver is checked out, a prompt will appear to print or email the order and route information to the driver. Also, the expected return time counter and the timeout counter will appear on the screen based on delivery time settings in the management dashboard and the delivery location. When the driver returns, the driver can log back into the delivery management platform to check in on the same screen. Here, the driver or manager can close out the order and enter the total mileage of that delivery. The driver's status will then change to available. The driver history screen will display all the orders for specific drivers for the day. The manager can see all the drivers. If the driver logs in, they can only see their own order totals there. The order history screen displays all the delivery orders that were taken for the day in detail. In the management dashboard, you can set your delivery management platform to function just the way you want it to. For example, you can set the time limit that the driver has between delivery addresses and the maximum amount of time that they have until they take the next order in queue. As mentioned, you can set only orders that will be ready in the next X minutes to be available for assignment to a driver, where you specify X in minutes. You can specify the delivery area by zip code or draw the boundaries of your delivery zone using GeoJSON, so you can get as granular as you want, eliminating certain streets and blocks from your delivery area as you see fit. Speed of service is crucial to any quick service restaurant. Unreliable internet connections can negatively impact the rate at which you process sales on many other POS systems on the market. The Revel system's POS offers an always-on mode to allow your clients to continue to take payments and orders during an internet slowdown or power outage to make sure that you're completely protected from losing sales. Our advanced hybrid architecture enables your iPad POS to run on a local network uninterrupted and still get all the perks of a cloud-based system. All data will resync with the cloud once connectivity returns. Custom limits can be set in the management dashboard to decline offline payments of sales higher than a specific amount to protect your business. Always-on mode is designed for your peace of mind and offered to all of our clients at no additional charge. We believe this is how point of sale should function, and we're pleased to offer this convenient functionality to all of our clients. The Revel system's point of sale provides the most robust management dashboard on the market with all of your POS information in one place. This website is unique to your business and provides you with real-time reporting and allows you to control all aspects of your business from anywhere, at any time, from any device that can access the internet. Features include seamless QuickBooks integration, customer insight, sales summary, hourly sales, product mix report, inventory management, employee scheduling, and so much more. This is the Overview tab. Here you'll find information regarding payments, including credit payments, cash payments, discounts, and tax. On this page, you will also find valuable information regarding new and repeating customers and their payment habits. You can see today's overview, yesterday's overview, or create a custom time frame to see the overall health of your business during that time. Within the Reports tab, there are close to 40 different reports that will give you, the business owner, valuable information about the health of every aspect of your business, allowing you to make intelligent, highly informed decisions, setting you on a direct path to sustainable growth. This is the Sales Summary Report. Here you'll see summarized financial information on your sales in real time, allowing you to adjust your strategies to help meet and exceed your targets. Also presented within this report is information on which dining options are driving the highest revenue, thereby allowing you to adjust your service offering based on demand. You can sort this report based on dining option, POS station, a specific employee, or a defined time frame. The Sales Summary Report can also be exported to a variety of file types to work in conjunction with other tools that you use to manage your business. This is the Operations Report. Here you can access detailed financial information required for accounting and tax purposes. This is essentially a detailed version of the Sales Summary Report and can be filtered by POS station, employee, or a custom time frame. Also, you can filter by order status whether the order is open, unpaid, or irregular. The Operations Report can be exported to a variety of file types to work in conjunction with other tools that you use to manage your business. This is the Hourly Sales Report. Within this report, you can see your sales per hour in real time. This report will allow you to clearly identify your busiest time frames, which will allow you to staff appropriately and take advantage of a full house to drive marketing promotions. This is the Product Mix Report. This report is one of the most used reports on the management dashboard and delivers key information regarding your top-selling products. You can filter this report to be POS station specific, employee specific, and also customize the time frame you're interested in. So this report can give you a tremendous amount of insight into the demand for your product offering. On the left-hand side, you can see your top 10 most selling products by profit, and on the right-hand side, the top 10 most selling products by quantity. The goal here is to adjust your offering and your sales and marketing strategies to get congruency between these two graphs, meaning that of your entire product offering, you're selling the highest quantities of your most profitable products. This report is versatile in the sense that it can be customized to suit your needs in the details that are presented in the report. For example, you can choose to sort by product so you can see which subcategory of products is selling the best along with your top selling modifiers so that you can intelligently adjust your offering based on demand and profit. Valuable cost information is also presented here. As a business owner, you can clearly see the comparison of cost of goods sold to total sales and the margins you're making on all of your products, thus allowing you to make calculated and informed decisions on what you offer your customers. You can also export the information in this report to a variety of different file formats, PDF, CSV, Excel, and JSON, as necessary for your business. This is the order history report. Here you can see a list of all the transactions that you've made for the time frame that you select. You can also see the reporting number, order number, the employee that created the order, the date and timestamp that it was opened and closed down to the second, as well as the final total and how much of that amount was paid. You can also filter this report by dining option, open closed orders, search your entire order history by credit card number, order ID number, or transaction number, making it extremely easy to track down a historical order in the system and also filter the report to a custom time frame. This is the payment summary report. Here you'll find information on what type of payment your customers are using to pay for the transaction, whether it's cash, credit, gift card, Bitcoin, or check, just to list a few. This is valuable to gain insight into how your customers prefer to handle their transactions, thereby allowing you to offer payment options that work with their lifestyles. The Other Reports tab allows you to access a variety of reports that will give you valuable information on any aspect of your business. We believe in intelligent reporting, and as such, we always create new reports to give you more insight regarding the health of your business. We'll revisit the Other Reports tab later in this demo. The Product tab allows you to create new products for your business. Our hierarchy follows a simple category, subcategory, product structure, making it easy for you to create new products and keep them highly organized within the system. You can also create custom menus for different dining services, breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner, beverages, and dessert, for example. You can create customized upsell combos, create groupings of certain products for discounting purposes, create modifiers to offer on your products, and build recipes so you can accurately track the cost of each ingredient and product in your system. You can create customized discounts that apply only on certain days at certain times, just like the beverage discount that was auto-applied to your order on the POS earlier. Lastly, you can export all this product data as an Excel file and import everything at one time to make all of your updates instantly, so you can work more efficiently and effectively. Our powerful product and ingredient inventory management system is engineered to support your scale-up and success. Inventory management allows you to see information about the ingredients that you have for the products that you offer at your quick service establishment. As you can see here with your Blue Moon beer, you can view barcode, SKU, bin number, class, and primary vendor information in this table. You also have a unit of measurement and a low stock alert, so if you enter a number into this field, let's say 10, you will be alerted when you have 10 bottles of this beer left in inventory. Also, you have the cost per inventory unit, total cost, and items left in inventory. You currently have 0 bottles of Blue Moon left in inventory. By clicking on Show All Actions, you're going to be able to see a variety of actions you can take related to inventory. You can receive inventory. So let's say you receive 50 bottles of Blue Moon beer at $1 per unit from your supplier. You can enter in 50 bottles and tap Receive. Now your current inventory has been updated. You also have the ability to report damaged or wasted inventory, which is critical for accurate stock levels and reporting. Let's say a server dropped 2 bottles of Blue Moon during a busy service. You can adjust the cost and say dropped on floor and click Add Waste. You also have the ability to transfer these units to another location as long as the barcode and SKU are the same. Additionally, you have the actual cost displayed. You can reset the total cost or reset the whole product. You can also go into the Reports tab and see the Product Inventory Summary report. This is the Product Inventory Summary report. This report will show you all the different ingredients you have in your inventory. So you can see the Blue Moon inventory summary. 50 were received and 2 were wasted. You can see that the end quantity has been adjusted to account for the damaged dropped bottles. Your percent quantity has increased and is reporting at 4,800% because you had 0 to start with. The ending cost and total value of your Blue Moon inventory are also reported here. This is the speed of service report. Here you can see exactly how long an order or individual product spends in the kitchen display unit or expedite kitchen display, and the total time that orders and individual products spend in the kitchen. This information is extremely useful when making high-level decisions on how to manage certain stations in the kitchen and where adjustments in staffing may be necessary. In timesheet rules, you can configure different options for your timesheet. There are fields like maximum hours per day, maximum overtime hours per day, the multiplier for overtime, and the multiplier for double time. You also have maximum hours per week and allow clock in before a shift. This is a great feature. If you allow clock in before a shift, the employee can clock in but won't start getting paid until their scheduled time. You can also set a time limit on how early they can clock in. Here you can set the condition that you only want employees to be able to clock in 30 minutes prior to their shift. You can set the condition that the 7th day worked is overtime, choose to display declared tips in payroll, and also get details on the type of payment used for those tips. You can adjust the day your week starts and also the time your business opens. Enabling auto clockout allows you to set a time to automatically clock out. This is great for when employees forget to clock out. Here, the auto clockout time is set to 5 minutes after an employee's shift ends. We can also calculate paid and unpaid breaks by setting rules. For example, your employee must work 4 hours before they qualify for a break. You can then set the time duration of the break by adjusting the slide control. You can now move directly into creating a shift schedule. All of your employees are visible in a drop-down menu table format. The way to add a shift is simply clicking on a day, selecting Add New, and setting up the hours that employee will work that day. Please note it's a 24-hour clock. You can set the end status of their shift to clock out, designate their role, and save. You can see that the schedule has populated with the shift that we just entered. The timesheet is color-coded based on your settings in timesheet rules and the number of hours worked by any given employee. For example, you can see that all of the employees will cross into overtime on Sunday of this week and their shifts will turn orange. You can choose to display total wages or leave them off if you want to print the schedule and post it somewhere in your business. Another great feature of the scheduling tool is that you can email each employee with their schedule and have them accept their schedules or contest them, in which case you'd work with them to have certain shifts covered by other employees. As long as you have an email address entered for each employee in employee details, you can send them the schedule. The yellow line indicates that the employee has received an email but has yet to respond. If they accept the schedule, that line will turn green. If they have a shift conflict and reject the schedule, the line will turn red and you will be notified via email. The Wage Forecasting tab is an extremely helpful tool for setting a target percentage of total sales that you would like to spend on wages. By entering a figure for forecasted sales, you can then see that the system will calculate the forecasted labor cost percent and indicate how that forecasted figure compares to the labor cost percent goal entered above. Depending on whether your forecasted labor cost percent is above or below your target, you can adjust your shift schedules accordingly. We also have the Time Work tab that will show you the clock in, clock out status and the total hours worked that week. Lastly, we have the Payroll tab that will show you a breakdown of the payroll for each employee and allow you to export to a variety of file types, as well as searching payroll by a custom time frame or by the employee's role. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos from Revel Systems.